This is more scary things that could just happen to you for various reasons, where a sneeze is fatal. I came across this case study of a 12-year-old boy with vascular Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. Ehlers-Danlos syndrome is a pretty rare condition, the vascular form being the most fatal. Typically occurs in around 1 in 250,000 people. It's a genetic condition that results from a mutation in some of the collagen. So basically your blood vessels and your internal organs are a little bit more flexible than they're supposed to be. In this case study, the boy sneezed and ruptured his right subclavian artery. This is one of the major blood vessels that exits the top of the heart and sort of runs underneath your collarbone. Initially, he presented with hypotension, so low blood pressure, probably as a result from internal bleeding. There are medications that can help manage the condition. Typically, they are norepinephrine modifiers, which change how your blood vessels react. Here's the citation if you want to learn more.